Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stumbling on my channel, you're welcome. Please join the family by clicking on the subscribe button, and then if you're already a subscriber, you know how we do it. So today I'm going to be doing a gele tutorial, and you know, this is a new style of gele that has been trending since like late 2018 and 2019. You can't go to an Owambe and not see multiple people rocking this new style of gele, and it's kind of a relief because this is it's very easy to achieve, and you can actually tie it on yourself even without being a gele professional or a makeup artist, and you do it in no time. By no time, I'm talking 5-10 minutes, you're done with your gele. Like, how cool is that? So I actually have 3 variations of this particular gele style, and this I'm just going to be showing you guys 1 out of the 3 right now, and the other 2 styles will be dropping in 2 other subsequent videos. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check back in a few days time for the other 2 styles that I'll be dropping one after the other. So let's just get right into the video, guys. This is the gele that I'm going to be using for this tutorial, and it is the normal length of gele, and it's just the normal gele that is made up of 3 different individual gele sections. So for this gele, we are going to be tying it as a 70-30. By 70, I mean like one hand is going to be short while one hand is going to be long. So this is my 30 and this is my 70. I'm just going to form some pleats right here that will be here. Let me do that and I'll be right back. So guys, now I'm done pleating. You can see my pleats. I have just a few pleats here. You don't need too many pleats for this gele, which makes it very easy and very beginner friendly. Guys, I'm just going to tie the gele at the back. You can see this is my 30 while the other hand is my 70. I'm just going to tie it now. Make sure that this is not too long. So now I'm going to work with the 70 part. I'm going to begin by twisting it. Just make sure that it's nicely done and it's firm while you twist. Twist it right to the end. And I will just take this and lay it right after all of the pleats. Then for this one, I will just roll it up a bit and then tie again at this end. As you guys can see, I've tied it here. So this remaining loose end, I'm just going to hold it down and pin it down. Taking some office pin, just pin down the end of the gele into the knot. And that is it, my gele is secured at the back, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to shift this to reveal some of my hairline. Guys, I'm going to fold here a bit to reveal the bun because my hair is in a bun. I'll just open it up, but if your hair is not neatly done, you could just close up this part and pin it with office pins just to cover your hair. But for me, I'd like my bun to show. So guys, this is the finished look. You can see like this whole gele took me about just 5 minutes. There was no unnecessary pleating or time wasted in pleating, and I just used about 2 pins that I used to secure the back of the gele with the knots. So this is the finished look, very easy to achieve and very fabulous and chic. Look at it, I'm really rocking this gele, I'm loving it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check back for the next that I'm going to be dropping. I have 2 more styles of this new trending gele that I'll be dropping next, so check back for it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share to your friends, and don't leave without subscribing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, so fabulous.